Okay, hadn't finished question 7 yet. This is 7 part B. When you have a question that looks like this, okay, hopefully you can tell by looking at it that it's not translation, because you don't have the same looking shape. It's been turned in some sort of way, or it's been rotated in some sort of way. Also, to look at it, it's not like you've got an obvious reflection left and right. You've not got a reflection up and down the way across the x-axis. This is rotation and rotation only. The problem that you've got to figure out is, where are you rotating it about, okay? Now, a handy thing you can do here involves tracing paper, covering it up. Unfortunately, I don't have that ability to do so, so I'm just going to kind of talk it out with you, right? What you're looking for is something that's going to rotate that round the way to make that shape. So you know that you're going to have to be somewhere in the middle. The idea is that your point of rotation generally is going to be slap bang in the middle of these two bits, because if it wasn't in the middle, then when you rotate it round, it would be either too far or too soon. So just as an example, if I pick the point there and I rotate this round, the shape's going to end up something like here. Whereas if I put the point maybe over here, when I rotate that round, it's going to be too far away. So you're basically looking for a point that is exactly halfway between them. More so on that, what to do is find two common vertices. The top right corner of that A is equivalent to that top right corner of B. And basically, if you find halfway between those 2 points, that is slap bang in the middle. That is where you're going to rotate. So in this case, the point 0, 1, that is halfway in between. I mean, you could join these up with a line if you want, kind of just to clarify that point meeting that corner meeting that corner. I picked the top right one. It doesn't actually matter which one you pick. If you match up corners with their respective corners in the other shape, it'll always pass through the same center of rotation. So, for example, this bit here and that bit there, if I join them up, they're going to go right the way through the black point also. And one more just to kind of hopefully make this clear. Point here, bottom right hand corner there is going to be equivalent to the top left hand corner there. I join them up. Again, everything is going through this big black point in the middle. So that is your center of rotation. Now to put down the words. Translating shape A onto B involves a rotation around this point. So you've got a rotation through the point or around the point 0, 1. Also, you need to state how far around degrees wise and in what direction most of the time you have rotated it. Now, because this happens to be exactly the opposite of what's come out here, you've rotated at 180 degrees. So it doesn't actually matter if it's clockwise or it's anti-clockwise, they would both come out the same way at the other side. So my answer to that is A has been rotated by 180 degrees through the point 0, 1.